What's going on, people? Digi here, back with another video. Today going to be having a quick look at the CBDAO token, otherwise known as Coinbreeder, otherwise known as synthetic, right now it's known as synthetic CBDAO, so SBRE. But yeah, let's talk a little bit about this project with various names. So coinbreeder.com is a website, name of the project. Coinbreeder DAO is what CBDAO stands for, as you can probably tell. Having a quick look on the website, you can see the token sales ended. I actually came across this project, someone mentioned it, had a quick look on Uniswap, and looked at the fundamentals, liked it, so thought I might as well make a video to show you guys as well. So, token sale has ended, and the token, the BRE, will be deployed on the mainnet at the end of August, basically given as a swap for the current tokens, which are the SBRE that we mentioned. So what is Coinbreeder? Let's have a quick look. It is a decentralized autonomous organization, otherwise known as a DAO, and it's focused on research and developing efficient decentralized consensus protocols, DCP, on the blockchain. It's governed and ruled by a community of DeFi developers, yield farmers, and fans, and with the help of a decentralized, incentivized, and cost-efficient consensus system. So what does that actually mean? Let's have a quick look. So what does it actually do as well? It serves as the ultimate sandbox for researchers, developers to use, and users to proof test and experience governance protocols such as DAOs. CBDAO actively onboards new users by providing additional yield in the form of BRE to users already familiar with these decentralized consensus protocols. They hold and farm governance assets, so basically yield farming. So basically, BRE holders get BRE for holding the DeFi assets. They can use the BRE to create proposals, which is a governance. They can earn the BRE for proposing and voting on these governance proposals, and use BRE to vote on proposals as well. So pretty much, let's have a quick dive into this without spending too much time. So there's a governance model in the token. You create a new proposal, you vote on it, and there's a token burned and staking as well. So you can share 5% of the total votes, 10% of the total votes are shared between the voters, and then also any remaining tokens from votes are burned, and any tokens used to create it as well. Now, the main thing that really got me interested about this was the yield farming. So these tokens are really popular right now. Now, it feels like Coinbreeder has taken this to the next level in terms of its yield farming, just by the amount of assets it's farming, but also in terms of its token model as well. So basically, the idea is that the majority of the BRE tokens will be held in the farming supply. So as you can see with a lot of other staking, farming tokens, whatever you want to call them, the majority of the supply is always locked up. And it's the same with the team. Their team supply is locked up for a year as well. So the initial circulating supplies on these things are then, as a result, really low. So that's a little bit about the token. Would like to see a little bit more information around the mainnet. Now, just a word of warning here that I really wanted to bring up. This is still in a testnet phase, so we are coming back to, ICO days of 2017 where things are not fully working at release, but there's nothing wrong with that sometimes when it's in the right way and it's done in the right model. I believe the team are getting an audit done on their contract at the moment, and then as it mentions on the website, the smart contract for BRE is due to be deployed in the mainnet at the end of August, so we're looking at about 3 weeks from now. So we mentioned the farming staking, a little bit about the tokenomics. So there's only 14% of the actual supply available right now, and the other element is locked in, as we mentioned. There is a deflation model as well, so that's very popular with ZAMP. A burning mechanism is implemented, so as I mentioned earlier, 85% of the tokens used as voting are burnt, plus 100% of the tokens used for the voting proposal as well. And then let's have a quick look at price. So when I first, someone told me about this, so I first saw it was 0.01 ETH, so $4. Over the last 2 days, price has really kind of rallied up to $12. So again, just be careful when looking into these things. You don't always want to buy at the top of a pump. You can always look for a retrace. In terms of the information, there's not much DEX score validity here in terms of the information available, very little. So one piece of advice to the team, it's very critical that you guys get as much information out as you can right now. Now, they are good in doing that through their Medium channel. So if you guys want to find out more information about the project, there's several articles on there that you can read. But yeah, I just thought I'd make a quick video about this project. Their Medium is medium.com/Coinbreeder. And yeah, just one to keep an eye on. I'm sure you'll hear about this a lot in the next couple of days. Yeah, I'm not going to put a score or a rating on this as of yet. I just feel that projects this early on in their cycle, literally a couple of weeks, months old with no mainnet. I just want to see how things go before we actually do a detailed review on this. So yeah, thanks anyone for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and yeah, we'll see you soon.